Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss other ways to say cancel. When you want to say you are cancelling the program, what are the different words you can use instead of cancel? Number 1, call off. Call off is an alternative word to say cancel when you are talking about events. If you call off an event that has been planned, you cancel it. Example, the match has been called off because of the weather. Scrap. When you cancel a plan, you scrap. Scrap means not to continue with the system or plan. Example, they have scrapped the plan for a trip to Ooty. It means they have cancelled the program and they are not going to continue it. They are not going to continue the plan. Number 3, suspend. Suspend is used when something is cancelled temporarily or permanently. Example, the bus service to Allegheny has been suspended for the day because of repair work. Suspend means to stop or delay something for a time. Postpone. When you cancel something but plan to do it later, use postpone. Example, she has postponed the marriage until next year. Abandon or curtail. When you cancel something before you have finished it, use abandon or curtail. Example, they have to abandon their attempt to climb the mountain. It means they have to cancel the program in the middle, before it is finished. We have to curtail our trip to Ooty. These are the phrases you can use instead of saying cancel. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe.